Hey mamas, welcome to my mini vlog nga because ang doctor's order kay magpahulay. Ano man siya ningon nga sa balay ko magpahulay. So na ako karon sa Siargao and I just registered for 2 km Ocean Man nga race. I will be trying to conquer my fear, which is the dagat. At the same time, I'm also battling low-grade fever, sipon, ug obo. So let's see if I can survive that, and I will be taking you to through my journey with me. Enjoy, guys! Bye! Claim.
Oscar!
We just claimed, we just registered.
Wrong spelling ang Siargao. Sakto.
Mr. Ganjaman, kakaiba ang tama.
Nasing taas, uy!
Na-video mo dyan. Gutom na.
We're hungry, guys!
Kisagit na dyan. Ang gutom na mi guys. Ano mo ang mga tig-drive kaya wala pa. Balance lang. Woo!
So, order ko, guys. First ako meal of the day ng tarong. Tulo ka lumpia, usa ka monggong soup. Yehey! Tag G's ang lumpia, tag 60 ang monggong soup. Kaya tag 20 ang rice.
Dablok ko dito.
Ay, ko kayo. Thank you.
Hila?
Wala may ice cream.
Wala ko nakaon ang
Lami ba?
kanina.
Oh, wow.
I like this.
Si Japet, wala pa katilaw.
So crunchy guys, as in crunchy to siya. We're actually in Esotron right now. Kuya Bo,
Yo!
describe imong thoughts.
Wala ko expect na lemon ang ice cream.
Lemon?
Yeah.
Oo, katilong sa
Nakoy na tilpan
Lami,
na.
actually lami ang ice cream. Lami ang ice cream guys. Vanilla lemon flavored.
So unique.
Especially the turon.
You missed chance.
Kaya ang sugar niya sa turon, more nipilit
Let
ko
me
sa turon mismo.
let me spoil you na lang for the flavor.
Kaya
but
usually ang turon,
for the
matang-tang yan
experience.
sugar.
It's now raining.
May legit may lamig ito.
Ang gaposte
Ang mga nag-MC! Ang mga nag-MC, uy! Na, nagtapad silang duha, oh.
Merman ako siya, okay.
Bahala mo. Butan. Kagamay po, doon sa manangabutan ding, uy. Wala na pa kaon sa uslog. Mana, tapos na ang man.
Chicken? Okay.
Tilans! Thank you, ya. Salamat ya. Sa
Wala ay maglasa.
Tanaw ko na sa inyong higdaanan kay awal mo na. Awa! Hey, what's up, vlog? Hey.
Sargaw, Ocean Man ready.
I mean, mga ito na may.
Ito na mi.
On our way to Siargao Boulevard. What the hell? So, kanang yellow one there. Manang first na mga turning point. Ang second is kanang nasa car. That's one. Namalik me here. What the fuck? What the fuck? We're going to warm up and wala pa siya Let's go! Hello, so we're officially done with the race and I finished officially with time of 1 hour and 10.
Ato dito sa dagat ko. Ato dito ako mainom.
Picture takanan ba with medal?
Ako kinun.
Uy, Caroline, mula ang para batang doon.
Oh, wait lang.
Mana guys? Retouch the wood.
Pagdalagan dira ba? Una, na-slide ko.
Conquered the Oceanman 2K sprint. Wala siyang podium.
All right. Is everything clear? Do you have any questions?
It's still going on, but ako ito mo ipakita sa like what it's supposed to be.
Okay, so we
Like
want
I'm around.
you to-
So wala siya
So-
dapat. Yeah. The thing is,
So we start kanan for me. Kanan for me. Okay. So we will be starting at 9:30.
okay naman siya.
Okay.
It just got so cowboy towards the end. I just understand. But we're done, conquered. Sa last nga 1K, last 500 di ay supposed to be or 1K jud to. Kaya wala jud ko feel nililihok ko. So, since we're done, we're goods. Kada ba? Look. We're in Tago, Siargao.
Hi, smile mo ka lang din namin. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, it's me. So, karon namin sa Tago, Siargao because ang among mga kauban kay lahi sila og gistayhan. And for now, the plan, like we already conquered na 2 km sprint. I actually had a panic attack sa first 500 because wala ko kaila sa mga kadungan because separate ang lalaki o babae. But that's okay. Wala lang ko, na-okay ra ko dayon sa next nga 1 km. Like sa second 500 meters, I was like, okay, makes sense. And then when I was able to conquer the first km, I was like, oh, new hobby unlocked. But kiwawa mo guys, pagpabalik, it was hell. O, may kasabot sa mong nabati kay as in murag kag makig-ilog sa dagat, hindi ka mo lihok. So mo to murag instead of like swimming 2 km according to my Garmin, I actually swam 3 km. So that's such an accomplishment for me, as you know, for me jud big jud siyang accomplishment as I really am scared of the dagat. So kudos to me and to everyone. Wait lang. Mag-edit. Pero yeah, wait lang. Kuhan ako. So, karon ang plan for the day is first have the lunch here sa place nila Kuya Jer. And then, we're gonna proceed go to Maasim River. And then, after that, we're gonna go to that coconut view thing. Coconut view plantation thing. And then we're gonna proceed to Cloud 9 where we will be having our surfing lesson. So, see you all there and hope you guys enjoy. Ang ending amo ani is Afam Bridge. So, we're to. Thank you guys. Thank you Zoe for making me vlog here.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be.
So we just finished surfing and now we're at the bridge na sa Cloud 9. Cause, hi kaya! Karon kay, padung na siya low tide, so... Ano na good na siya? Magpa-picture na, di gano'n picture na ko. So, hi ate lunch. Ha naman tayo ate lunch.
Ba't lang, mga ako na ta.
Aha pa.
Arita ka.
Gigoto.
Ah, sorry.
Akong tapad. Ikaw
Ata
po
sa
isa ko.
Afam
Ano,
Bridge.
ikaw po isa surfing.
Tapos, labad ako.
Katindog rin ba ko? Ay, ay.
Gosh.
5km ko na te lunch.
Isa?
Pag 5km ko no.
Kuyapan ako rin.
The perfect bite.
Thank you, ate.
Visual na yan, yan. Yung ibang ano.
Colorway. Hi guys, it's our third day in Siargao. So now we're going to Maasim River and then go to the coconut plantation.
What's your name?
Hi! Hiya! Leaving Siargao like a fucking winner.